The power will turn off to save battery warning in your Nissan is a protective feature designed to prevent your battery from completely draining. This system acts as a safeguard to ensure you can still start your vehicle. The warning is triggered when the vehicle detects accessories running for an extended period with the engine off. This typically happens after 10 to 30 minutes of accessory use, depending on your specific Nissan model. The system monitors battery voltage levels continuously. The warning typically triggers when voltage drops below 12.2 to 12.4 volts. Here's a voltage chart showing different battery states and their corresponding voltage levels. The most common causes of this warning include a weak or aging battery, which is the primary culprit in most cases. A faulty alternator that's not properly charging the battery can also trigger the warning. Other causes include parasitic electrical draws from aftermarket accessories that continue to consume power when the vehicle is off, and corroded or loose battery terminals that prevent proper electrical connections. Modern Nissan vehicles feature smart battery management systems that have become increasingly sophisticated. These systems provide earlier warnings based on your usage patterns and can even predict potential battery issues before they become critical problems. Understanding this warning system helps you recognize when your vehicle's electrical system needs attention, preventing unexpected breakdowns and ensuring reliable operation. When you see the power will turn off warning, there are immediate steps you can take to resolve the issue and prevent it from happening again. First, start your engine immediately to begin recharging the battery. Second, reduce the electrical load by turning off unnecessary accessories like radio, air conditioning, or lights. Next, check your battery terminals for corrosion or loose connections. Corroded terminals can prevent proper electrical flow and trigger the warning. To prevent this warning from appearing, follow these maintenance practices. Replace your battery every 4 to 5 years, even if it seems to be working fine. Have your battery tested annually after 3 years of service. Avoid using accessories like radio or air conditioning for extended periods with the engine off. Regular testing with a multimeter can help you monitor battery health. A healthy battery should read 12.6 volts or higher when the engine is off. If the warning persists after following these steps, seek professional diagnosis. This could indicate a faulty alternator, parasitic electrical draw, or other serious electrical issues that require expert attention.